linseed oil based putty. Mice love to eat it. So if you see here, this has all been puttied previously. And what they've done, they've eaten all the putty out. Little buggers, and you think, oh, how am I seeing things? Did I actually ever putty this? But you did, and it's just the mice. And normally what you find is a little white poo floating around, especially on the new homes. You'll see lots of little white poos that they leave after they eat the putty. But yeah, that's what they do. They eat your putty. And yeah, if you're not careful, they'll actually even eat. Well, I've had them so that they'll actually eat the putty after we've finished painting. So they'll chew through the paint. It can be 3 layers of paint, and they'll chew through it. And they'll eat that putty, and they'll only eat it up to so far as their little legs will reach. You know, and so the only way to fix that is if you re-putty it, they're just going to eat it out in the next day or so. So what you've got to do is you've got to use plaster, a base coat plaster, and just go around and fill all those lower ones, and then they won't eat that out. So that's the only way to fix that problem. So if you come across that problem and you think you're going crazy, it's mice. Okay, so another little helpful tip from the painter.